Good morning, children. Today onwards I am teaching 8th class physical science. My name is Billu. First lesson, force. First lesson, force. What in this lesson we can learn what is force, what changes occurs in the force, and the types of forces, and how the objects are moving from one place to another place, and how the seasons are changing. Okay, now we can discuss in this chapter. Okay, first, force. What is force? In ancient days, people thought any invisible force is occurring due to the changes in the seasons and the sunset and sunrise. They believe like that. Okay. So nowadays also so many people are believed like that. Any invisible force is acting on it. So later the discussions force is developed. Force is developed. If the seasons are changing also, force is the cause. How the seasons change. Summer to rainy, winter, autumn. Okay. Push or pull on a body. Push or pull on a body is called the force. What is push and what is pull? For example, this is the object. When the object is moving some distance, we can throw the object. What happens? I am pushing the duster. It will changes the place and I will come back to the duster. I am taking backward. That means I am pushing the duster. That is the push or pull on a body. Are you understand? Again I am explain. This is the one object. Okay. I can throw the object. Some effort. I am giving some effort to the object. It will moving some distance. That is what I am pushing the object. Okay. The pushing means I am giving some energy or some giving effort. And afterwards I am taking the duster. That means I am pulling. I am pulling the duster. That is the also I can exert a force. That means if push or pull on a body is called the force. For examples, digging the borewell. Digging a borewell. Okay, digging a borewell means if we digging some rods are like borewells వేసినప్పుడు rods ఉంటాయి కదా, that rods we will push and we will pull. That means force is exertion. That is the example. Digging a borewell and erasing the board. Okay, erasing the board. This is also I can push the duster and I can pull the duster. That is the erasing the board. This case also both push and pull. Same. Push, pull. Next, attracting a magnet. Okay, attracting the bar magnet. We can take the bar magnet having the south pole and the north pole, and this bar magnet attracting to the iron nail. We can kept the iron nail near to the bar magnet. It will iron nail will attract to the magnetic bar due to magnetic field is created. That in this case iron nail is pull or push? Pull. That means iron nail will attract to the bar magnet. In this case this is the pull. Iron nail is attracted. Attract means it will come towards to the bar magnet. That means it's coming forward direction. That is pull. Next, hoisting a flag. Okay, all are now August 15th and the January 26 times we are hoisting the flag in our schools. Okay, in that flag will come the first of all flag అనేది కింద ఉంటుంది. దాన్ని ఏం చేస్తాం? We can pull the thread. Thread ఏం చేస్తాం? ఇలా పుల్ చేస్తాం. పుల్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే థ్రెడ్ ఇలా పుల్ చేసినప్పుడు ఫ్లాగ్ అనేది పైకి పుష్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, hoisting the flag means if the thread is pull. Next, sipping a juice. Sipping a juice. For example, in a juice glass, we can make a straw and we will sip the juice. How? Sip మనం ఏం చేస్తామంటే జ్యూస్ ని ఇలా పుల్ చేస్తాం. పుల్ చేసినప్పుడు ఆటోమేటిక్ ఏముందంటే జ్యూస్ విల్ కమ్ ఇంటూ అవర్ మౌత్. దిస్ కేస్ ఆల్సో ద pull. Okay, this is the activity 1. Activity 1 in our textbook is there. Okay, you also read the definition. What is the definition of force? A push or pull on a body is called the force. These are the examples of the force. Anyone pushing or pulling, both cases force will exerts. Okay, examples: digging a borewell, erasing a boat, attracting magnet, hoisting a flag, sipping juice, and the other examples sucking. Okay, like that examples are there, and lifting the school bag towards the ground. Those are the examples of the force. Okay, you can do the activity table 1 activity. You can fill it after you read the textbook and you fill it. Okay, next. Next, types of a force. Types of a force. Okay, these are 2 types of a force. One is a contact force. Another one is the field at a distance. Field at a distance or non-contact force. Okay, force having the 2 types. One is contact force, another one is field at a distance or non-contact force. What is contact force and what is a field at a distance? Contact force is a physical contact interacting to the 2 objects. Okay, direct physical contact to the both the objects. That force is called the contact force. For example, this is a duster. Okay, I can hold the duster with our hand. Okay, both our hand fingers and the duster both are in contact. Our fingers and the duster both are in contact. In this case, that force is called a contact force. Definition: the physical contact between the two interacting objects. Two interacting objects. The physical contact between the two interacting objects is called a contact force. Example: muscular force. And next, sucking a toothpaste. Sucking a toothpaste and holding the school bag. Holding a school bag. In this case also, the school bag and in our hand also both are in contact. Next, sucking the toothpaste. If the toothpaste is will come, we can press the toothpaste, paste will come out. Okay, that is the sucking a toothpaste. This is the contact force. And next, feel at a distance. Feel at a distance are non-contact force. This what means contact force की opposite force non-contact force. This is the two bodies are a contact. In this case, in the two bodies are a non-contact. That means both are not contact but force will developed. That means field is created. Field is created. That means magnetic field, electric field and the gravitational field will created and the both the objects are interacting. Okay, definition: the two objects are not directly contact. The two objects are not directly contact. Any field is created. Field is created is called the field at a distance or non-contact force. Examples: magnetic field. Example: magnetic field. Suppose how the magnetic field. That means we can take the bar magnet. Okay, we can take the bar magnet and near the bar magnet we can near to the compass. We can take the compass box. If I using the north and south directions detecting. Okay. If the compass is come near to the bar magnet, in that needle will automatically changes its direction. Suppose if the needle is in a west direction, if we place near to the compass bar magnet, in that needle will changes to east direction. Any direct contact between there in the bar magnet and the compass box, there is no contact between the compass box, but in that bar magnet surrounds a magnetic field is created and automatically the compass box needle will changes its direction. Okay, that is the field at a distance. Okay, what is force? A push or pull on a body is called a force. Okay, types of force. There are two types. One is contact force and another one is the field at a distance. What is contact force? The physical contact between the two interacting objects. That means both are in contact. Our fingers on the duster like this. Both are in objects are in contact. That is called the contact force. And second one, this is the field at a distance. In this case, two objects are not directly contact. That is called the field at a distance. Example, bar magnet. If the bar magnet placed and near to the compass box, if the compass box needle will changes due to the magnetic field arise in that bar magnet and the compass box. Okay, today you can learn the force definition and the types of a force. And homework is you can complete the activity 1. Okay, activity 1 table you will be completed, and once if you have bar magnet and the compass box, once check it. If you take the bar magnet small piece or big piece, okay, you can near the bar magnet near the compass, it will automatically changes once you do it in your home. Okay, thank you.